I'm going to start off with the before and after on this. I'm switching back. After. This is before, left side. After. Before. After. Okay, so it's a 2000 Toyota Tundra. The headlights are 19 years old or so, and they're probably the original ones. I mean, looking at how glazed over they are, and with all the micro cracks. So I saw on YouTube you could put Wd-40, rub it in, and you'd get a little bit of more clarity in your lenses. I tried it on my Ford Sport Track, and it did work well. It kind of almost seemed to work a little better than on this Toyota. I'm not sure if there's a difference in plastics between different companies and how it works, but you can kind of see a difference as I'm putting it on. But you can see here, it's still, it hasn't been sanded down or anything, so you still got that oxidation or that those micro cracks in there and that surface roughness taken away from the clarity. So I'm just going to wipe the water off right now on this one before we start. It's a little rainy today. And then put the Wd-40 on. You can see again, you'll see it instantly gets clear, but then it seemed like 30 seconds later or less, it just kind of clouded up again. And on this one I'm trying some circular techniques with the rag, and I would say they are a little bit better, but I'm definitely going to go to another technique now and see how much better I can get it. Maybe some light sanding, some polishing compound.